Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy Tzatziki sauce, updated. Grate and salt 1 medium cucumber, then squeeze out excess water using a towel. Combine 2 cups plain Greek yogurt, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Fold in the drained cucumber and 2 tablespoons chopped dill. Season with salt and pepper to taste, chill for at least 30 minutes, and serve chilled. For a reliably delicious Tzatziki, start with 2 cups full-fat Greek yogurt and drain it if too loose. Use 1 medium cucumber, grated and well squeezed to remove moisture. Add 2 cloves fresh garlic, finely minced, and 1 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten flavors. Stir in 2 tablespoons chopped fresh dill and 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil for silkiness. Taste and adjust salt, then chill so flavors meld before serving. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: these leak-proof containers are perfect for storing Tzatziki, preventing spills, and making meal prep painless. I use them for batch sauces and lunches. They save time and cleanup. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want to grab a set, and now let's get back to the video. Tzatziki is versatile and rewarding to make ahead. Pack it as a dip or sauce for grilled meats and vegetables. Keep it chilled in an airtight container for up to 4 days, and always stir before serving to recombine any separated liquid. If it thickens in the fridge, let it sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes and give it a quick whisk. Garnish with extra dill or a drizzle of olive oil when plating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.